In this video, we'll see the recipe of delicious melt-in-mouth juicy chicken cheese kebabs. Let's get started. First, we'll dry roast the dry spices, whole spices, so star anise, cloves, green cardamom, cinnamon, mace, black peppercorns, cumin, that is Jeera. So add all these and keeping the flame between low to medium, roast these for a minute or so. Make sure you do not burn these, and once you get a nice aroma out of these, let these cool down and then transfer to a mixer grinder jar. Then add 1 tablespoon coriander powder, or you can add whole coriander seeds, 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. If you're using whole coriander, make sure you add it while you're roasting the dry spices. Okay, so here I've got 3 medium-sized boiled potatoes. These potatoes would add an amazing texture to your chicken kebabs, so make sure you add these. So after mashing, keep them aside. Heat a pan and add around 2 tablespoons oil and 1 medium-sized thinly sliced onion. Saute the onion till these become brown in color, light brown, and then add 1/2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and saute for 2 to 3 minutes between low to medium flame till the raw smell of ginger and garlic is gone. Then add the prepared spice mix and sprinkle some water. So the sprinkling of water would prevent the burning of the dry masala. So you can sprinkle a little more if required, and cook the masala between low to medium flame, and you would notice that gradually the masala would come off the sides of your pan or your kadhai and would look like this. Add it to the boiled potatoes. Mix well. Next, add around 2 teaspoons lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon soft butter, and 200 gram chicken mince. Salt as per taste. Then mix really well. Don't knead it like a chapati dough. We just need to mix everything till everything is well combined. That's it. And this looks perfect. Let's move to the next step. So I'm going to make a stuffing of cheese inside. So here I've got 1/4 cup processed cheese grated, approximately 1/4 and 1/4 cup mozzarella cheese. You can skip this step and just make chicken kebabs if you want, but you can add a stuffing of mozzarella and processed cheese, or simply processed cheese if you do not have mozzarella. Here I've got 1 egg at room temperature. I'm adding a pinch of salt to it. Then apply some oil to your palms so that the chicken mixture does not stick to your hands. Divide the mixture into medium-sized portions like this, and first step is to stuff these with cheese. So every portion of chicken would be stuffed with cheese, just like we do for our aloo paratha. Little stuffing of cheese. Next step is to coat the kebab with some egg, followed by breadcrumbs. I'm going to double coat these, that is, after breadcrumbs I'm going to put this back in the egg mixture. If you want, you can just single coat your kebab, but I'm double coating. And the same process needs to be followed for all the kebabs. Now one tip here, instead of taking a small portion every time, so you can divide the entire mixture into smaller portions first and then start taking one portion and work on it. So I've stuffed all the chicken kebabs with cheese and these are ready to be coated. Dividing this mixture first into portions, then stuffing them all with cheese and then coating them all together makes this entire process fast. I'm going to fry the ones which are in the black plate, and the remaining I'm going to put in my freezer. Once they set really well, I'm going to transfer them to an airtight container. These would last good up to 2 weeks. The oil is medium hot. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fry these at medium flame for like a few minutes till the moisture and everything gets sealed inside, and then I'll keep the flame between low to medium so that the chicken also gets cooked really well. You would notice that these kebabs would start puffing up because of the moisture and because of the cheese inside, and that's absolutely okay. Similarly, fry rest of the chicken kebabs. So here I've fried a few. These look fantastic and I know these are delicious. So look at the other ones which I had kept in my freezer. So after freezing in a plate, I have transferred them to an airtight container. You can also follow the same if you want to make these ahead of time. Look at the delicious cheese pull. I hope you like this recipe and would like to give it a try. Eid Mubarak in advance and enjoy!